Alright, well, my sugar snaps are pretty much done. These are going to be amazing. Look at the color on them, right? Let's just move them like this, make it easier to get to them. Now this was the first time I cooked it. Tomorrow we're going to cook it again. Some onion. Got a half-pound burger cooking in the background, you could hear it. That's my dinner tonight. Love me sugar snaps. Don't want the sugar snaps in there when they're cooked a second time. If you notice, some of them are rare, or I should say medium rare, and some are a little bit on the well done side. But these were cooked perfectly. We will enjoy these for a couple days. I was actually with some woman tonight. She's never eaten a sugar snap. She's younger. That's basically what we're doing. We're fishing out sugar snaps. Ooh, that's an onion. Get all the sugar snaps out. Now, all that's left in here, I think I got them all. Don't want to leave any behind. The funny thing about cabbage is even if I cook this like for a week after I'm done, it's still got a crunch to it. That's the nice thing about cabbage. Alright, I gotta flip some stuff, but there you go. Now we're gonna cook this a second time. We're gonna bring it up to 200 degrees. It's gonna be delicious.